Welcome back, you guys. We're back for an awesome adventure where we're gonna look through my garden real quick. Let's get to it. So the point of this video is just kind of showcase my plants and kind of let you know what I've been up to, you guys. I'm kind of doing a freestyle format where I just showcase some of the things that I'm coming across in my garden. Like this is peppermint. This is spearmint. Actually, spearmint, peppermint. I'm gonna try to label as many things as I can. Some more peppermint over there. There's a very random tomato plant growing right here. Look at that. Got a lettuce plant growing fairly prominent right here. Some more peppermint. Got some lovely lavender here. I might actually try to branch that out and make more plants. Some ants here on my peppermint. Probably gonna have to deal with that. Probably I just add some cinnamon to the soil. Got some lovely foxglove here. Let's try to get in close. Looks like my garlic's about ready. Probably do a bit more research before I harvest it. I had to harvest more, but one of my pieces that was right here because it seems like some ants had turned it upside down or something had broken a stem, so I just went ahead and harvested it. Here's a turnip plant. Yes, I know you're supposed to harvest it before it goes to seed, but I thought it'd be cool to see it go to seed. Like, check this out, you guys. They also have like these pretty interesting flowers. Like sometimes you just gotta grow stuff just to see how it works. You can always harvest like the next 20 like crops. You don't have to necessarily spend time just harvesting everything that you have. Sometimes you can just kind of make this a process. Like this is a strawberry plant. It's getting pretty good, getting pretty big. Some more garden lettuce. Sage, garden lettuce. Got some cuttings over here. This is removed elderberry plant. Trying to get a good focus on that. Got another elderberry plant here. I believe I have some 4 o'clocks growing over here and some beautiful pineapple mint. I also have a bean plant that started over here as well. I have a blackberry plant right here. Rose bush in the most inconvenient of spots. St. John's wort. This is my yarrow. Got a good bit of it. This is some wood bedney. Looks like it's getting ready to flower too. Got some wormwood. Got some lovely, lovely roses. Got a second year passion flower. Pretty awesome, right? I don't really care about this plant too much. If you guys think I should keep it alive or not let it succumb to being vined up by a passion flower, please let me know in the comments. I also have my asparagus here. Still doing well. The pear tree's doing pretty awesome as well. Like, check this out. Fruit are getting bigger. It's still gonna take a couple months before they actually are ready to eat or anything, but hey, they're still showing progress. Down here, you'll see I have a branch going into some dirt because I'm trying to see if I can get these to root. I've heard And this is one way to kind of start fruit tree cutting. So here's hoping. Now here's for my struggling ginger plants. Could be better. Just another random tomato plant growing right here. Here are a plethora of grapevines. Then this is my lovely blackberry bush. I have the netting on to keep the birds from stealing any. But I hope to have a big enough forest one day that I can share. Look at that, that's awesome. These down here too, as well. This is huge. But yeah, you guys, that's gonna be a wrap for it. Like, subscribe, leave any comments, and I'll catch you guys later. I knew I didn't say that right. Here are a plethora,